Well, that was one heck of a light show. Well, it's been a couple days since then, and it's drained off, and I've had a chance to bring in some more gravel and begin to compact this gravel down where that building's going to be installed. You can see there's the level line. It's roughly about an inch above the gravel, and here this is how I went ahead and tamped that down. It's a slow process. Anyway, it's pretty level. It's about an inch at each of the four corners above the grade. Still a little wet over here. And then it goes down a little bit in the center, which is not a problem. It's probably maybe a half an inch deeper. But each four corner is level. So I can't wait to get this building installed. It'll be a few more weeks. But it drained pretty well. You can see it's a little wet there still. This is where the opening is going to be at this end. Amazing how much water came down. You could see where there was standing water, and I went ahead and brought about 10 yard wagon loads from across the street where they had dumped extra rock, and I filled in all of the low points. But anyway, it's looking pretty good, so we're going to move on into the garage next. Thanks for watching.